Hello there fellow humans, and today we will be taking a look at some of the most interesting and unique organisms on planet 446b. So without further delay, let's learn about some of the random organisms of planet 446b. The Sabertusked Baron is a member of Organisms. Other members of this group include the Titan sea reaper, the tropical sea griffin, and many other unique forms of life. It exclusively lives in the southwestern regions of Onari. The Sabertusked Baron primarily hunts on land, using its strong limbs to chase down prey. They also have formidable tusk-like sabers on their jaws. These are used for killing prey or fighting. Unlike the saber-toothed cats of Earth, their tusks were only used to kill prey when tackled. These animals grow up to 25 to 30 feet long, 7 to 9 meters, and can weigh around 4 tons. Unlike their aquatic relatives, have more primitive ISOs, similar to Earth's Tyrannosaurus or crocodilians. They lack the epidermal organs the other members have. Instead, the nerves on barons are used for sensing prey in the dark, or hunting burrowing prey. Like many of their other relatives, they have a vestigial pair of arms. The Sabertusked Baron is a good and fierce parent. They will often stay with their same cubs for a few years. Thank you to Xenopleurodon for making such a fascinating animal, and we can't wait to see how it will affect the planet 446b ecosystem. The Rockahurst is a creature that lives in the deep caves and survives off of minerals from the volcanic vents. The creature will very rarely go to the surface, and will spend most of its time using its highly sensitive nose to sniff out minerals. The animal was discovered through an expedition into the caves of planet 446b. The equipment they used was damaged by the animal, and it is thought that they are highly aggressive to anything that gets deep down into the depths of their caves. It's thought that they evolved very recently, since they don't seem to be very well adapted to the environment they now call home. Maybe they could have been some sort of filter feeder before, using a similar technique to extract nutrition from the minerals. The creature is thought to be the biggest to live in the caves, at 50 centimeters tall and 70 centimeters long. Its lifespan is around 65 years, which is extremely good for a wild animal, at least by Earth terms. Now we're done with organisms with organs, and we're going to move on to more simple forms of life. First off, we will go down into the ocean, where a coral-like creature has evolved. Corallo Dirooco translates to fire coral. The reason it's named this is because of a substance which has similar effects to fire, even being mistaken for fire underwater. It is found in hot water, near the deep bottom of the ocean, sometimes being found in ocean valleys, among other terrains. Small, around 10 centimeters big, and is usually found with 9 other individuals. Here on screen we have some simple shrubbery of planet 446b. The red flower shrub, I know, a creative name, found in most lands on the planet, other than extreme climates such as the desert or tundra. On average it can grow 1 meter wide and 0.75 meters tall. The seed found in the flowers are dispersed by water, wind, or other organisms. To grow to full size, it takes an average of 2 years and 4 months. The reason this plant is green is because of photosynthesis, and it is thought that they do this much like plants do on Earth. The Ilusos Inteliquis has pods of stiff, velvety material. They have strength of tense cardboard on their sectors. After observed, we have found that the small climbing land animals seek shelter in these pods, get stuck in the velvet, and die. The plant absorbs the nutrients and sends them to the root via the stem. The extra branches coming from the stem act as a sort of ladder for the animals. The plant has thick roots that have the same thickness as the branches, which absorb the water from the ground. These plants seem to have been found in relatively mid-temperature conditions. There are the 5 random creatures we have featured in today's video. Thank you to everyone who has contributed to the project lately, and a massive thank you to all of the people who contributed and made their organism into this video. Sorry for the delay on uploads. I have been having some storage problems, some technical problems recently, but I hope to bring you more videos soon. So without further ado, goodbye for now.